Hey guys, today we're going to build an ultra-portable gaming PC. Up first we have the CPU. The Ryzen 5600G not only has 6 fast cores, but some of the fastest integrated graphics on the market. For $135, the value of this CPU is really good. Next we have our case. This ultra-portable case includes an integrated 150 watt power supply. This power supply is more than enough to power our CPU. The name of this case is called the In-Win Ultra Slim. You could call this case a win-win situation. This small case also requires a small motherboard. Any ITX AMD Zen 3 motherboard will work. For the RAM, I got 32 gigabytes of DDR4. I'm a video editor and most people don't need 32 gigabytes of RAM. You could definitely swap this out for a 16 gigabyte RAM kit for additional savings. For storage, I got a 1 terabyte SSD. Again, if you don't need this much storage, you could definitely swap this out for a smaller drive for additional savings. All these PC components come out to less than $470. Check out these awesome calculations. All right, let's build this gaming PC. Gaming PC complete. Case closed. One cool thing about this case is the VESA mount. You can mount this VESA mount onto the back of many monitors. When gaming, this PC crushes esports games at 1080p. You could also run many AAA games smoothly at low settings. Overall, this build is a great value. Thank you for watching.